To begin with, Sarvam AI recently closed a $234 million Series B funding round led by HCL Tech, one of India's biggest IT firms. HCL alone invested $150 million for a stake of 10.5% in the company. It's a very significant development because this is the first ever big bet on an Indian startup by an Indian tech giant. We have never seen Indian IT companies investing huge amounts in Indian startups. Sarvam AI is founded in 2023 by two IITians. They recently launched their ChatGPT-like LLM, but so far the results are not very exciting because they only got over 1 lakh downloads. So let's see how it goes from now. The second news update is even more bigger. NASA has launched a mission to reach Mars. It is named Aeolus. NASA will send a suite of scientific instruments, launch it to space, and fly it to Mars in 2028. The purpose is to measure and image planet Mars from the orbit. And the contract went to a company, Relativity Space. It was founded in 2015 by two guys. But in 2025, former Google CEO Eric Schmidt acquired it and became the CEO. So now, Relativity Space will build a spacecraft to travel those scientific instruments to Mars. So finally, Elon Musk got a competitor in the space industry to deal with. Let's see how it goes. Now we'll learn 3 startup lessons from Peter Thiel's 0 to 1 book. Number 1 is the 10x rule. Peter Thiel says, never build something 10% better. Build something 10 times better. Your product or service should be at least 10 times better than existing alternatives. Because small improvements get ignored, only massive leaps are taken seriously. If you use a product, you won't switch to another product unless it is fundamentally better, right? So you have to make every touch point of your product 10x better. From the marketing to the product quality, everything you have to make it 10 times better. Lesson number 2, start with a small market. Most wannabe founders think big from day one. Peter Thiel says we have to do the opposite. Dominate a tiny niche first. Facebook began only for Harvard University. Amazon began only for books. Once you own a small market, expansion becomes much easier. Every monopoly starts small. Don't try to capture a massive market on day one. And lesson number 3, secrets. According to Theil, every successful startup is built on a secret. Something important that most people either don't know or don't believe. For example, only Larry Page believed that most search engines were mediocre. Most people completely ignored that there is space for improvement in the domain of search engines. So you have to always find secrets that other people overlook and build businesses around them. So this is the first episode of Unicorn Club. Subscribe to X-Legio for more episodes.